Hey! Did you also get the fleshlight that came with your package? Yeah, definitely not straight, but it's...
I didn't say I was.
It's...
We know you're wrong.
We know! We remember the other night. It's because the Ohio State flag is this weird fucking shape. It's not a square like the rest of the school. Alright, new rule, no more recruiting Ohio. Dead center chest, bro!
I want to see you get shot by him.
I'll go. You want...
I say, can I please have your express permission? You say, yes, you can, and that is my decision. I say, it's not strange, and you say, yes, it is, but it still gets me off. I'm gonna 3D print your vagina with my 3D printer. I'm gonna 3D print your vagina.
Oh, that had to hurt. Sorry, bro.
No one can tell you what to do with your body. No one can tell me what to do with my body. No one can tell you what to do with your body. No one can tell me what to do with my body.
Where are we taking these? Whale? Just fucking with me. Oh shittings. Oh shittings. See a shadow right there around that corner. Right there. God fucking damn it. I got you. Go, go, go. You guys have the reaction of a ham sandwich, bro. Hey, you know, it'd be awesome if I had a magazine in my gun. That would be very, very good. The fuck did I just step on?
We chose grassy ass.
Put it nice and deep in there for you. It is definitely aura. Dude, that sounded hot. It's always hard. This random dude. Did you get a new gun?
No.
Why does it look gray? Oh, maybe because I have yellow tinted limbs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yay! I like
Okay.
being dominated.
Only on Sundays. It is. It's about that time. Nice. Story of your life?
Story of my life, yeah. I wanted to get one of the whole red.
Oh, he's always turned on.
I'm always turned on. Don't play with me, man. Well, please do play with me. Come on. Fucking mouth. I'm gonna smack my cock in your fucking I'm still on, right?
Yeah. Always, bro. Always.
I'm fucking turned on as fuck.
Yes!
Bluetooth my ass. Oh shit.
Not when we got elbows, bro.
Full kit Family Dollar run.
Nice one. Just blow the tranny.
Yep. Blow straight out. I love blowing trannies.
Me too.
She was more like a beauty queen from a movie scene. She don't mind it. Do you mean I am? Howdy.
Wait, really? Wait, that's kind of a good idea.
Not for $7, we're not.
Dragon Ball. Oh, they got a fit in here, Loki. I can't wait for the wrong person to walk in. I think we're like ice. Doesn't look like they carry it. Maybe we gotta hit the Dollar General.
They didn't have the liquid IV that Daddy Grim wanted.
Sir! We need batteries!
Nice parking, bro.
Thank you.
That old lady at the front looked at us like we were crazy. I'm thinking passion fruit though. I'm thinking passion fruit. Yeah, you're paying for this, right?
I'm paying for the batteries in mine.
Yeah. Good, how are you? What 21 costs, man? You too. I can't wait for those old people to go tell their grandkids that they saw ice at the Dollar General.
Dude, imagine they take a picture of our car and they're like,
We're gonna
I
end up on
spotted
the
in
Harrison County
Clarksburg.
Facebook.
I spotted in Clarksburg, West Virginia. And it's just a
Bad
blue,
apple.
Thank you.
and it's just your blue fucking dog.
My fucking blue Dodge Dart Rally.
attractions at Mercy Park, and kids start each morning with
Why do you want Asher so
Cause he's
bad?
he's my boyfriend.
Jeez, it's like you want to just...
I do. Put him over here.
What part of this don't you understand?
Well, since he wants him so bad, I'm inclined to not put him.
Like, they think we're kidding, bro. Fucking over here.
Yes! You beautiful human being.
Steal their buckets. Corn buckets are a point. Purple is
I'll come in your bucket.
Are you okay?
Yeah. Yes, you interact, man. You're just fucking him up before the game even starts.
Hey, yo.
eat shit, eat shit.
Muffins for life?
Muffins for life! Come on, Grim! Somebody needs to go get them buckets. Betsy, 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 Betsy. Genital switch in, it's pointed at your teammate. Are you hit or not? Oh, okay. I can keep shooting at you if that's really what you want. You can... I mean, I can keep shooting at you or you can fuck off. Are you hit or not, dipshit? Oh shit, he's got a loudener. It's like those like shitty Indian videos of the dudes with like the Mr. Beast head, you know what I'm talking about?
So many people all around me, yet I feel so alone. I'm a dead man, walking zombie, singing my song. You want that fuck you music, go blow your brains out to it. Florida's finest, you find us inside that broke down hoopty. People in front of my face, but they really wanna bust a hole in my back. I've been on go for a minute, but they really wanna move me off.
I fooled you with your own fucking grenade, dude. How stupid could you be? Kiss it. Kiss it. Kiss it.
Would you believe me if I told you I managed to get 3 kills with a flashlight here?
3 kills with a flashlight?
Yep.
Interesting. I have two confirmed pencil kills here. Hit you with a pencil, by the way. Adam.
We're very accepting over here.
Transmission going. Yes, let's recreate birthday.
I got 7 like 11s, about 8, 38s, 9, 9, 10, Mac 10, the shit's never end. You can't touch my riches, even if you had MC Hammer and the...
That was my birthday video. That was a good one. I shot you in the vest!
No, you didn't! Show me the damn backpack right here!
Oh. Sorry that I can't see your vest. Your shitty $12 Amazon vest.
It was 80!
Hey, if it fits, it works.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. Fuck. I like it when you put your fingers in me. I'm gonna go down these stairs. Dead man, dead man! I can feel it going. Hello. Oh, shittings.
Oh, shittings.
Oh, shittings. Oh, shittings. Yeah. Behind, on. You don't have to announce yourself. Dude, that dude fucking shot me right out the tip of my sniffer.
Really?
Yeah. That is not a good place to be.
Oh, shit. You're good. You're good.
Got him.
Oh, shit.
We're going to the bus. Coming. Red. I just got like 4 kills.
What's up, Phantom?
Yep.
Nice of you to join us on the nice comfortable couch.
Yeah, watching.
I see somebody falling.
Front door.
Front of the bus.
He's left side of the bus, no visual. Yeah, y'all be high alert backside. Flashlight. Turn it off! 5 seconds, start spraying fucking doors.
In there, everyone.
There's about 8 of us. About 8.
Dude, I was the only one making it in there.
Yeah.
I was 5 and he was 6. We rode on horses made of sticks.
He wore black and I wore white. He would always win the fight. Bang, bang, he shot me down. Bang, bang, I hit the ground. Bang, bang, that awful sound. Bang, bang, my baby shot me down. Seasons came and changed the time. When I grew up, I called him mine. He would always laugh and say, remember when we used to play? Bang, bang, I shot you down. Bang, bang, you hit the ground. Bang, bang, that awful sound. Bang, bang, I used to shoot you down.